Hello everyone. So this is the first video in Python basics, Python introduction must know steps, which means we are going to see what are the features available in Python programming language. So you need to know now when you are going to choose Python as a new programming language, you need to know understand its features. So I'm going to explain the features. So first feature would be Python is an interactive programming language. So it's like you can input a command and then it outputs. Okay, those kind of programming language. So I will just show you a simple command prompt. Open a command prompt how Python works. And if you see here, I'm going to go to Python and it is open to Python module now, and I'm able to write Python programming here itself. When I say like print hello world, so immediately it will output a hello world. So okay, just printed hello world. It may not be complex task. Maybe I will do some mathematical operations. I will give like a equal to 4. Okay, and if I try to print a, it will print a. And if I assign b equal to 5 and I'm trying to print b, it will print b. So next I'm going to perform c equal to a plus b, and it calculated what is c it is. Now we'll try to print c. So if you see here, and I try to add two numbers in an interactive way. So it's so much easy, right? So you cannot find in any other programming language. This is how Python works. It's an interactive programming language. You can even like a compile model, you can do it. But when you're learning or even you're prototyping, it is like we what we do we need to know whether what we are doing is right. So it's when we have a programming language with the interactive way, this will help. Next features is it's a open source. Open source in the sense you can download the source code and you can modify it and you can use it. That's the open source programming language. Open source, anything that is open source. And now when you navigate to okay, I'm going to navigate to the Python folder, and you can see this is the Python package. And if you go to libraries, you'll see all the Python files where these Python files have contains all the Python features. You want to modify some function with some other commands, right? If you want to modify it, you can very well do it and then just operate it. That's open source. And you can if you have a very good feature, and you extracted source code from the python.org, and you should be able to your feature can be integrated migrated to Python, original Python source code itself if it's, your feature is very good. That's open source. And the third one is it's an interpreter programming language. So interpreter in the sense, Python, you write a command and Python programming will interrupt your command line, right, and then outputs it. So when it comes to other than if it's not interpreter, and there's what is opposite of interpreter, it's compiled programming language. C++, Java are all compiled programming languages. So what compile does, once you write the bunch of codes and it will compile it and then it runs it in the engine, like the Java means Java virtual engine. So those engines will run and then give you output. But when it comes to interpreter, it will immediately output. It will go for the your Python package and search for the Python interpreter and then run it. So that's the interpreter programming language. When the advantage, one more advantage of Python interpreter is that you can install multiple versions of Python in your own machines, and you can call the interpreter as your own. I have both Python 3.6.8 and Python 4.7.4. So these, based on my project need, I will use either one of the version. All I need to know, I call that particular interpreter and then run my package. So that's the advantage of interpreter programming language. So next advantage is it's easy to use. Okay, Python has a large standard libraries where there are many functions, method, and objects that you can call, and it's built-in functions are there. You can easily it's kind of a plug and play. When it comes to machine learning, you don't need to write from the scratch all the algorithms, all the machine learning models. So it has a large standard, right? You can a single line of code, it will execute like multiple functions, right? Those are the advantages. Easy to use. Okay, and it has a very simple syntax, as easy to follow syntax and expressive. Okay, when it expressive in the sense it is easy. Like when we try to learn a programming language, if it is complicated syntax, it means it is really difficult to adapt it. But Python is very expressive language where you can easily adapt it. Next, when the differences between other programming languages like Java and major programs, C++, they are using curly braces and semicolons to understand like it's a block or like the end of lines. But in Python, it's a very simple. It uses for block, it uses a colon and indentation. Indentation is giving some spaces. The advantage of giving some spaces, maybe it might, if you are not following its structure, it may throw an error. But the advantage is that it follows some structure, right? If you follow some like this part is when you give this instruction, this is under this for each loop, and after the inside for each loop, you write another for each. So there you need to follow some other spaces. So you can able to differentiate one block to another block. That's a indentation. That's advantage of indentation. You can follow some structure in programming language. Even if you are using Java or C++, if you don't follow indentation, it is difficult to understand what the code expresses, right? You always follow indentation in any other program, but in Python it is mandatory to use indentation for blocks, as well as we don't need to separately provide a semicolon here. Instead, it will understand like each at the end of line, it is the next line. You don't need to separately give a semicolon. So that's a easy way Python is built. And next, Python is a both scripting and object-oriented programming. There are some advantages in scripting language. There are some advantages in object-oriented programming. Python has both. Okay, you can write kind of a script way like VB script and JavaScript, and you can call that function, and you can easily editing it and interactive things. All those things are available in Python as a script model. Okay, and if you want to go with the object-oriented model, there are some restrictions. There are some problem with the internet. There are some disadvantages in the script model that cannot be it won't scalable. It won't reusability is very less when it comes to scripting model. But Python has it's also works as some object-oriented programming language where it can be reusable. It can be it's easy to troubleshoot, and it's flexible, and it's effective programming solving, scalable. All those advantages, both advantages are in Python. Okay, and next we are going to see multi-threading. So there are some complaints about Python compared to C++ or Java, which is like it's a little bit slow. But when you are using multi-threading, and the multi-thread will utilize CPU cores, and it will run concurrently, so that it will speed up your process. That when you are working in, when you build application where it might slow, it need not to be slow. When you are building a Django kind of web application, when you're clicking on some pages, and it will wait for some, it will wait for 5 minutes, it won't be good, right? So Python uses multi-threading, and increase its speed. And it's a portable in the sense like it's a simple things, like when you write a command, when you write a code, it will only work in that machine. That's not portable. When you write a code, you can use it in anywhere in any machine. So that's a portable, right? Python is a portable language. And lastly, we will discuss now what are the applications that can be built using Python application. One is a console-based application. Console-based, I mean, you build a application, and you run command, run the Python application through commands itself. You don't need to have a UI, or you don't need to have separate web-based site or anything else, right? That's a console-based application. You can build a console-based application and audio video-based application where Python has a large standard libraries in image and video-based application. For example, computer vision, OpenCV. So those are the applications you can build with audio video, like VLC player or editing tool. Those are the video-based application. When it comes to image-based applications, like like editing some image processing software, like your whatever that what is it? Some Adobe image processing, image softwares, like those kind of application you can build in using Python. And 3D CAD application for your CM for your industries, and web application example like Django and Flask and other web frameworks are available in Python. and the enterprise application you can create it, and mobile apps there is like a so those are, you can create mobile application and back-end web application, data analysis, AI, and computer scientific computing application like machine learning and artificial intelligence applications, gaming desktop applications, and graphical user interface. Also, you can create it, cloud-based applications. All those things you can create using Python. So these are the features available in Python, and it's good to know this stuff before you begin, or you are already in a beginner stage and you need to understand like what is Python. I started with coding in some W3 schools, and someone taught me in my office. But I still don't know what can be done using Python. When you learn Python, you will only learn its logics and the syntaxes, all of those things. But whether you can, what you can do, what you can achieve through Python. So we have seen those things, and we have seen some cool features like how it's portable, how it's like interpreted. So those are the things that will make you to explore more. Okay, so and I think that's all for now. I can explain so many things about Python, but this is a precise simple things that you need to understand, understand. So to go further, next video I'm going to show you how to install Python in your operating system. Either if it's I'm not going to explain all the installation. It is available in online, so many things, but I will try to cover it, installation procedure, and I will try to explain a few details that is necessarily required for installation. But when we, my focus is covering as much as basic Python, and then we will deep dive into Python core Python. I mean object oriented and data structures, data analytics, machine learning, big data, all those stuff. Even with framework, those things are the major things. Python is very easy language. So if you're watching this video, you're doing the right stuff to learn Python. We'll see the next video, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. Please follow this YouTube channel pytest.com, and I will sequentially upload my videos. This is I'm doing it fashion way, so that I'm sharing my knowledge to people who required who are trying to achieve Python as for their career. Thank you very much.